these 5 projects are going to be absolutely huge in the NFT space. Hopefully we can make you guys a lot of money, and without further ado, let's hop right into them without wasting any time. The first project we're actually going to be talking about is called Low Community NFT, and this is actually a lo-fi based NFT project, which is something we haven't seen. It's really interesting to see it incorporated into the space. If we click on this, I'm gonna let it play for you guys. Super awesome video. The art looks absolutely phenomenal. We got this cool little sketch thing going on. Guys, we don't really know too much about this project. We just know that it recently surfaced, but even though it just recently came up, it still already has almost 30,000 followers, and it's followed by some really big names in the space. So definitely give this one a follow, turn on notifications, and hopefully you can get into their Discord. Now guys, the next one we're going to be talking about is actually called Kaiju Kongs, and before I cover the arts, I just want to cover what these guys are actually doing. It is a 3,333 NFT collection, so pretty small collection size. Now get this, they are incorporating a real-time burn mechanism into their contract. So essentially what this entails is for the first 5 days after the mint, if they list their NFT below the mint price, it will automatically be burned. It's just gone. Magic. Now, this is very controversial because this is not something that's ever been done. So whether or not it will be good or bad, we have yet to see. But if it does go well, it will set a precedent in the NFT space for sure. And we'll probably see a lot more projects following suit with that kind of mechanism. Now, let's hop over into their Discord. Oh my God, the art. Now, these guys are releasing soon. It's going to be March 17th, so I'm a little late on this one, but let's take a look at what they're bringing. I mean, these are some of their legendaries, guys, and they look absolutely insane. This is the QB form from Naruto, which looks absolutely incredible. This is Gojo. This is Dracula from Hellsing, which also looks absolutely insane. And then this one, probably my favorite, is Yoriichi from Demon Slayer, which is actually one of my favorite anime, by the way. This project absolutely looks insane. It has some big people in the space behind it. Considering the mechanism that they're incorporating, could be really interesting to watch, guys, so try and get whitelist if you can. Now, guys, the next one we're going to be talking about is actually called Tactical Tigers. Now, I'm pretty sure their Discord is locked and they don't have a set release date yet, but their collection size is only 333, which is definitely really small for an NFT collection, especially one that's amassed 16,000 followers already, and it's already followed by some pretty big names in the space. I know Champ was talking about it not too long ago. I mean, taking a look at the art, it looks really sick. This one's really cool. It's Bruce Lee, which is definitely one I want to get my hands on. But if you guys can do some more research into this project and maybe get into the Discord, this could be a great opportunity for you guys. Usually small collection sizes like this tend to do really well with floor price. Now, of course, this isn't financial advice, but this is definitely something I'm looking at that I think will do absolutely phenomenally, especially in the short term. I mean, given the current state of the market, it's always a little bit uncertain, but definitely try to get your hands on this one if you can. Now, guys, the next one we're going to be talking about is actually called Skyverse, and this one also fits kind of that land meta that we saw for a little bit with like farmland and NFT worlds. This one's doing something just a little bit different though. As you can see, their Discord's actually locked, so it's not like we can really get in there right now, but their website is actually what I want to show you. So if we head over to this website, it says, "Welcome to Skyverse, scratch to explore." So we just start kind of clicking on the mouse, start scrolling a little bit. We get this little sneak peek of the islands and stuff like that. Like I said, guys, we don't know too much about this project. So far, it's looking absolutely insane. I mean, they release in what, like 2 days, so it might be a little late for you guys, but if you can pick up on secondary, that would definitely be something that I'm personally doing, just because I don't have whitelist for the project either, so you and I are in this together. But definitely looks really big. Lots of huge names in the NFT space are following it. I mean, we've even got other NFT projects. We've got Satoshi Runners, PX Quest following them, Project Gojira following them, which is absolutely insane. We've got NFT Zerk, our favorite man, following them. We've got NFT Repsy, the Llamaverse, a whole slew of people following them because this project has so much potential. Now again, guys, you're gonna have to go ahead and hop over here, and they release some invites to the Discord, so you guys are gonna have to use this to get in if you really want to. Definitely keep an eye on this project. Now guys, the last project that we're going to be talking about is called Arcade. Arcade.inc on Twitter. Now they reopened their Discord, but there isn't really too much for me to show you guys there besides some of the sneak peeks maybe, but we can find a lot of that stuff on Twitter. So it's actually a game, obviously. I mean, this sneak peek looks, already the video looks absolutely insane. I mean, if we hop down here, it's made by the same creators who made Apes vs. Mutants, which I believe is the Bored Ape Yacht Club game. So already some huge people behind it, and obviously they're doxed and trustworthy. I mean, we've got Popeye following them. We got Bento Boy, Ryan Crypto, some really big names in the space following them, and I can't wait to see what they produce, because obviously what they're producing is something we haven't seen before. They've done collabs with projects like Kawafuru. It seems like they're building a game similar to Farmlands is what it kind of reminds me of, where they kind of bring NFTs into their own game slash metaverse, which is really cool actually. But yeah, this is definitely something you guys should be keeping an eye out on. If you can get into the Discord, it's right there. I hope you guys can get your hands on one of these, and without further ado, I will see you guys later.